Alrighty, so in the last video I talked about how you can use just normal 2D props to fly 3D. So I'm going to talk today about how to choose the right prop, see what will work and what doesn't work. At the moment I'm using these HQ durable 5x45. What I'm looking for is something with a symmetrical footprint, symmetrical that way, looks like it'll turn both ways, and about 45 degrees on the pitch. And not too much of an aerofoil, so it should work spinning both ways. Another one I've found is the Dalprop Cyclones 50-46. It's not 45, but close enough. Same again, symmetrical footprint, not too much aerofoil, should work both ways. We'll give it a go. What you don't want is just your typical prop that's designed to turn one way. This is not going to be any good, and I'll put a set on, and you'll be able to hear the difference when you go negative and upside down and make a weird sound, and very, very inefficient. Alright, so let's have a go. So as you can see, the first props, they flew the best as they were the closest to being symmetrical in all directions. The second prop, it worked, and it worked inverted. However, when I gave a lot of throttle, they began to make that really strange sound, but they worked. You can do 3D on these. And these last ones that I just used, I'm actually surprised. They did work. You can fly 3D. But you have to use a hell of a lot of throttle to keep it hovering whilst inverted, and you heard that strange sound. That's what you want to try and avoid. So I hope this helped. If you liked it, like the video, give us a subscription. If you haven't seen the first video, go check it out, part 1. Thanks for watching.